Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus Limited and I will show you how to remove and replace the driver airbag. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Before you start removing and disconnecting the airbag, make sure to disconnect the negative battery pole. Once the battery is disconnected, to start removing the airbag, you'll have two holes here on the steering wheel, one on each side, and the other one is here. So the idea is to push something inside, something like a small screwdriver, and you have to press onto a special spring to release the airbag out. Now I won't be able to really show it to you before I remove the airbag, but once I remove it I will show you exactly what has to be done. So just have to push it in and get onto that spring. So this will take a bit of your time because you really have to feel it and find exactly where it is. But like I said, I will show you in more details once I remove the airbag. Okay, so I've got my airbag out and now I will show you. So pretty much you see right here there are two springs, one on the right side and one on the left side, which have to be pressed in to release the airbag. And now I will try to demonstrate that. So like I said, you will stick your screwdriver here inside, or Allen key, or anything that you have. Now you can see here where I'm getting in, you see, and all you have to do, you have to push onto this spring. See, that's it. So you want to just go straight in, and here you will hit this like a small metal piece, and you have to get past it. So to do that, you just stick the screwdriver all the way towards the dashboard and keep going in, and then you will get to that spring, and this is what you have to do on both sides. And then these pins on the back of the airbag will just release and you'll be able to remove it. Okay, now to disconnect the airbag, you'll have like two black tabs on each of these connections. I'll try to zoom it in a bit. So right here, one will be on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them at the same time and just pull this out. You see, these are the tabs. They're quite small but doable. And you will do the same thing on the other one. Okay, and this is how you can remove the airbag from a Ford Taurus. Now when you're installing this same or a new airbag in, just follow everything back in reverse. You just have to plug in those connectors and then the airbag will just clip in, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.